guys, in last video we saw about definition of computers and work applications of computer. In this video we'll see about generation of computer. Generation of computers. So we'll see the first generation, which is start from 1946 and up to 1958. ಇದು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದರೆ ದ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಯೂಮ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಂದರೆ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್ ವಾಸ್ huge and very slow and expensive and often undependable. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಏನಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಏನಕ್ಕಂದರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ vacuum tubes were invented in the same time the light bulb was invented by Thomas Edison. So that it is very important. Come to the second generation. The second generation is start from 1959 up to 1964. So this is called the era of the transistor. So which means this is second generation, which means the transistor computer did not last as long as vacuum tube computer lasted, but it was no less important in the advancement of computer technology. Okay, then come to the third generation start from 1965 up to 1970. So which is called integrated circuits miniaturing the computers, which means